Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Klarna to Shopify. So if you have an account, log in, but if you don't, sign up. I'm going to sign up for this video. And I'm just going to go skip all and Australia location and continue with email. And now I'm going to plug this email in from temp email, but you use your real one if you don't have an account, and just write a password and create Shopify ID. Okay, so now we're in the admin panel. So all you got to do is go to settings down here, and we are going to go to payments again, and we are going to add payment methods. So we could either go here, Klarna, and there we go, that is there for payment methods, or we can go to search provider and we can click this one here and click activate. So you just want to click connect, and it's going to give us this app here, and all you got to do is click install app, and right here we got to click allow, and then we have to log in. But if you don't have an account, we have to sign up. So if you need to do that, you just click get started. But yeah, that is how you add Klarna. Or like I said, you go to search by payment methods and search it here and click this one here, and now we have all these options for the Klarna. So depending on your location, it will pop up. So I have ping pong checkout and Rolex and checkout.com, offsite payments, and all these other ones. And if I want to use these checkouts, we just want to click activate, and we click manage, and it's going to make us log in. So we log in. So that one's that, and we can go back here again, and we have the ping pong checkout, and you'd want to do that to the same thing. You'd click connect and you install. So depending on which one you want to use, this is up to you. You have to do your own research for that part, but that is the easiest way to connect Klarna. So if you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. Peace.